It's not. We take off flight restriction.
We'll make it work. We'll make it work, bro. Welcome back, everyone watching, to the Rad Skate Park check-in across N.Y.C. I am Vincent Basile, and today we arrived at the Andy Kessler Skate Park right here in Manhattan. This is episode 44, and today we brought a few guests. We brought Tristan, Ashton, Matt, and MAME. Before we get started, we ran into Ian, who runs N.Y.C Skate Coalition. He's got a few words for us and some history about the Andy Kessler Skate Park.
Hey, Vinny, thank you very much. We love your work. Really glad you guys came to the Andy Kessler Skate Park, named after the legend, the late great Andy Kessler. He designed and built the original skate park here, Riverside Skate Park. Shout out to MICHAELIS in the Bronx. That was the first real New York City Parks Department skate park in the city. But this came in 1996. This was the blue ramps that were here. So we started work on the blue ramps in 2012. This is now 10 years for us working on this. And thanks to the City of New York, Riverside Parks Conservancy, New York City Parks Department, elected officials, Gail Brewer, Mark Levine, Robert Jackson, and many others, this thing happened. This is our work, N.Y.C Skate Coalition. A lot of people helped out along the way. Here we have a street area. This is all California skate parks, and the 11-foot pool over the back there. So we're very proud of this. But really, this would not have happened if it didn't have Andy Kessler's name on it. God bless Andy Kessler. And really, Andy Kessler's efforts after the original blue ramps is really responsible for every other skate park we have in New York. Every time you hit a skate park in New York, thank you, Andy Kessler.
Perfect.
That was good.
Yeah, that's great.
It's real.
Yeah, no,
it's
that's
fucking real,
amazing.
man.
That's good to hear it, especially coming to a closing in New York City, and it's good to hear it, you know?
No, we appreciate everything that you guys have done for skaters in the community, in the city, and just all over. People come all over the world to check out some of these skate parks, so.
And I'm just here to show you. I didn't build this. I didn't build this park. I just came to reap the rewards.
But
Thank you, Ian.
we all make this thing happen, don't we? It's like everybody brings something to the table. That's New York skateboarding. It absolutely is. I mean, you know, I think it's amazing.
Absolutely. Yeah, very lucky.
We are. We really are.
All right, happy to be here. Let's get some,
Let's show you.
Yeah.
Let's show you. It's a big park. It's gonna take like a half an hour to show you. It seems like it's got a little something for everybody. So let's go inside and get a closer look into the Andy Kessler Skate Park. Check it out. We got this curved C bench right here. Check this section out. We got a ledge, bank to wall, another bigger bank to wall with the ledge built right into it, and then the same thing over here. So you got another bank here, but on the other side is this little quarter. You got a 4-foot mini ramp, and on the other side is another quarter with a bank to barrier that brings you over to this area. Bank to ledge. Pretty wide open right here. You have another C ledge, curved. All you have to do is wax it up and you know this thing's gonna slide. Here's a different feature, a little hip with this wall with this grinding thing. I don't know, I've never really seen that. It looks like you could hit it on all sides. And then right here, I want to show you this little 3-block with 2 kinked rails right here, side by side. Doesn't matter what stance you are. Nice ledge. Can you do the whole thing? We have this nice little wall feature. Looks a little rusty here. Go fast, bring the wax. And on the other side, it's a ledge, which is kicked and it goes the whole way down. While we're standing right here, framed rail right inset in the middle of the park. This is definitely a different feature. It looks like a curb built into these cut up banks right along this whole side section. Over there is a little A-frame bank and an A-frame rail. Ledge, rail, ledge. Last but not the least, you got 6 there, 2 handrails on each side. I feel like that's the main feature here in this park. Besides the
11-foot pole, it's got 1.5 feet of vert. It's first and only real vert pole in New York City. Designed by Lance Mountain, elliptical transition. We've got a 6.5-foot shallow end, 4.5-foot waterfall, and it's built by California Skateparks. I was on the construction crew for this with California Skateparks. So get a quick run.
yeah. Yeah, I got some people here waiting. Let's see if we can get some clips, right? Is that time for clips?
I think so.
When we're talking, let's do it. What is? Yeah, why not? Hey, skate
Oh, the
theory.
mini? Yeah, let's go.
Little mini sesh real quick.
Let's go.
Go. Come on, man. Round 2. Rad gang.
Come on, Jay.
Let's skate the street. Vinny Rollettini. I got the whole thing. Look out! I'll see kickflip out too. Kickflip out. I'll do the whole thing first and then I'll try to kickflip out. Yeah, boy, that was so sick, bro. That clip was crazy, bro. Oh, that's huge. Yeah, boy.
You know what I'm saying? We out here, Rad Gang.
You out, Ashton? Yo, great job today, bro. You killed it. Yo, thanks for coming, Ashton. You're the best.
Shout out to Ashton.
You shout out to Ashton.
Yeah, Ashton.
Ashton Martin music, boy. Ashton Martin music, bro.
Yeah! My board's broken too. I don't want it. That's what we were looking for.
What did I tell? Yo, I told this man, stop playing with him. I told you, kid. I told you, kid. Stop playing with him.
It was a crack board! It was a crack board!
You landed?
Yeah. I needed that. That's all right, we got that slash. Ground report, Tristan, ground report.
It don't get better than this. That's it. I haven't fell not once because of the floor. So,
Brand new park.
brand is new.
A few months old.
Dude, that's sick, bro. It's my first time here. I love it.
Yo,
It's
this
amazing.
park is rad. If I didn't get that trick, I would have been miserable. I would hate everybody. Like and subscribe.
Do I get a cameo?
Yeah,
What am I gonna say?
absolutely.
Am I getting interviewed? Wait, what's the best angle?
Oh, well, yo, hold up. Welcome to the team. MAME. You're going to be seeing a lot of her, so.
Hell
What's
yeah.
up?
Hell yeah.
What's up?
Do I look cute? Just gotta make sure.
Oh my God.
You killed it on the mini. Killed it
Yeah,
on here
yeah.
in the bowl.
There's going to be a lot more skating.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yo, shout out to my man right here, bro. Shout out to him, bro. You know?
All right.
He's out here taking care of the park. He's gonna be here with his man. You know, they're the ones making sure everything's clean and taken care of. So appreciate you. That was nice though.
Thank you.
Good day. Okay, thank you, you 900 and something subscribers. Thank you guys. Yeah, help us get to 1,000. If you found this video helpful,
Share that with your grandma, cousin, uncle, aunt, niece, nephew, all that good stuff. And Matt.
please hit the like button. Please subscribe to our channel. And share the video. I hope you guys had a good time watching. Thank you, Ashton, for coming out. Thank you, Eric. Thank you, Carrie. Thank you, Tristan Maldonado. The gorgeous gangster. Up and coming. Watch out for my boy, Matt Wheatman. Thank you.
Matt.
Thank you for watching the video. Shout out to Ian from the New York City Skate Coalition. Shout out to MAME. Shout out to Ali Axelrod for coming through. Shout out to Jason Capano. Shout out to all the locals. Shout out to all you guys watching. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook at Rad Boardsport Co. Check out our website at www.radboardsport.co. Check out our merch. Check out our boards. Check out the interactive skate map.
Thank you for watching.
All that stuff.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching. Oh, don't forget to ride all day, folks.
Yo, what did that piece of concrete do to you, bro?
Yo,
I
it's
stepped
getting
on
dirt
mud.
everywhere, bro.
I stepped on mud.
Take your shoe back, bro.